ยินดีต้อนรับค่ะ
Hello, my name is Youngmai. Welcome to my channel. I decided to upcycle this skirt that I got second-handed from Depop. As you can see, it's very long in width. It's supposed to be like this. Now this is too long for my liking, and also I wasn't really feeling the green ribbon on it. Here's the detail. So what I want to do is to shorten the skirt, change the ribbon color, and maybe add some lace trim on the hem. So this is how long the skirt is. Look, it's not that long, but I reckon I would get more wear out of it if I shorten it just a little. And the ribbon, it's just so dark, like dark green, that it almost looks black. I'm not really a fan of that. I went to Spotlight to pick up some ribbons. I was deciding between pink and silver. At the end, I went with pink because I wanted that very sweet, coquettish look. Okay, so now what we need to do is to rip out the ribbon using the seam ripper. This one's my favorite. It's from Spotlight. Really good and handy. I use it a lot to fix my mistakes and rip out all of the ribbon here and the hem. I was able to pull out the ribbon like this because I've already undone all the stitches on the other side. Please don't just pull anything out like this unless you've undone all the stitches. And this is how it looks like without the ribbon. I actually think it looks kind of cute like this. Now's the time for me to shorten the skirt. I cut it at the old hemline because that's exactly where I want it to be, and there's already a line there. However, if there's a specific length that you want your skirt to be, it's better to draw a line if there's no line there already before cutting. And also, don't forget to account for the hem allowance because once you cut it, you have to fold it up before stitching it, so it will be shorter than where you're cutting it. Since this fabric is non-stretchy, I'll be finishing the hem using pinking shears. Now, pinking shears is a method of finishing the seams or the raw hem back in the days when people don't have a serger or overlocker, because those are pretty expensive. So yeah, I'll be using this. It's like a zigzag scissors.
Pause here if you want to learn more about pinking shears. If you don't have pinking shears, you can finish the raw edges by using a zigzag stitch on your normal sewing machine, or folding the hem twice, iron it and top stitch it, or use an overlocker.
It was taking quite a long time, so I decided to just fold it and cut 2 layers at the same time.
To finish the hem, I just fold the edge over once and do straight stitch about 1 centimeter away from the edge. Don't forget to press it with an iron after you're done. This is the new length and I'm really loving it.
Here I'm drawing a line on where I want the new ribbon to be. Then I sew on one side of the ribbon first, and then I went back and sew on the other side.
This is so cute already.
After sewing the ribbon on, the pleats were kind of stretched out, so I went to my ironing station and ironed the pleats back. Then I went through my stash of lace trim that I've hoarded over the years. There's so many. And I was picking out which one to go on the hem. These two are the final contestants, so I was pinning them onto my skirt to see which one I like better.
This is how I sew the lace on. So the lace is already gathered and I sew it to the wrong side of the fabric. And I just did straight stitches pretty close to the edge.
After Afterwards, the pleats got stretched out again because of the lace. So I ironed the pleats back again.
Please use low heat, especially if your lace is made from synthetic material. I have some leftover pink ribbons, which I'm gonna tie into 2 little bows. The ribbons are about 50 centimeters each. Then I hand sewed the bows into the skirt.
These tails really aren't made for hand sewing.
Then it's pretty much done.
So cute. I am so obsessed. Look at the skirt. Oh my gosh. Wow.
I hope you guys like this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you later. Bye.